Good morning, guys. I am vlogging today after a few days off. So I am vlogging basically 3 days this week. So I am vlogging today, Thursday and Friday. I needed a bit of help this week about which day to vlog, and my friend kindly helped me out last night at what days to vlog and everything like that. Now, I should have vlogged yesterday because I done so much yesterday. Like, I went to help my dad with a job, and then I went for a cycle, and I cooked my dinner, and there was no one in the kitchen, so I could have been able to kind of clip that basically. So I did you can pretty much say too much yesterday. But it's okay, it's gone. But yeah, today I'm vlogging because I have a few things to do today, and I want to show you guys my new Xbox game that I got. It looks so much fun and I can't wait to try it. I swear to God. So yeah, I have a good few things planned today. Here's the list. So basically, I'm up, get dressed. I'll be undressed in a few moments, and make my bed, and then get breakfast, and then go for a cycle. I'm not going to do too much cycling today because I kind of overdid on my first day, which I shouldn't have done, but oh well. And then take a shower and possibly wash my hair if need be, but it's going to be tied back, so probably not. And then do a bit of Animal Crossing reading and colouring, and get lunch. And then I have to go over to my local shop to get something. You shall see later. Play my new Xbox game, and then sort out dinner, and then PJs and chill out, and then I'm gonna do a face mask when I go to bed. So yeah, so there's a few things I need to do today. Like, it's not that I have to do it, it's because like I kind of want to do it. So I hope you all will enjoy this vlog. So yeah, so I'm going to go up. I'm going to get up now and get dressed and make my bed, and I will see you then. So I fixed my hair. I just have it all tied back just until after my shower, and then I'll have it down or something. I'm dressed. I'm just in my sports bra, my t-shirt and my workout tracksuit bottoms. I'm loading up Animal Crossing because I'm going to check the turnip prices, because I have a feeling when I get back from cycling I won't be able to check the morning prices, because it is already, what time is it? I don't even know what time it is. It is, I'll tell you now, hold on, sorry. It's 9:30, and then I'm gonna go down and get breakfast now in a bit after playing Animal Crossing. Get breakfast, brush my teeth, and then I'll be going for a cycle. So about, say, 10:15 to 11:30. I could make it, actually. I could make it, but just to make sure because I'm going to be taking my time with the cycling today because my legs are still a tiny bit like jelly. So yeah. So yeah, I'm going to so I'm going to play a bit of Animal Crossing, check my turnip. I'm not going to play Animal Crossing, I'm just going in to check my turnip prices and then I'm off because like my Switch is about to die. I'm going to stick it on a charge while I'm going cycling so I can play it after. So yeah. Hello. I just had my breakfast and I brushed my teeth. I had special flakes for breakfast, so I did. So yeah. Now I am going to get ready to go for a cycle. I want to do this early today because then I have the whole day basically to myself. So yeah. And also I have to go to my local shop today as well, so I want to keep enough energy to be able to get over there as well. So I do. I'm going to get myself some milk and put it in my mini fridge. At the moment I have 2 bottles of water in there, but that will be taken out when I get home, so there will be room for a milk as well when I get home. Might as well get some milk because I haven't had like a thing of milk since my friend Graham bought it for me on one of the days last week. Last Tuesday. That was the last time I had milk. And I think I'm gonna do myself again this week. And it has been a week since I haven't drank milk, so yeah. What I could do is just cycle over to the local shop, but that's really short, so like I don't really want to do that. I kind of want to go through a field that I know beside school near me and kind of cycle that way. So I need to think whereabouts am I going to cycle to, because it's better knowing before you actually go cycling, because then you could end up in like Timbuktu or whatever you call it, Timbuktu, I don't know. So yeah, I think I'm just going to do the same route as yesterday, and don't worry, I have my Fitbit. I am going to track the cycle again because I forgot to do it yesterday. So yeah, I think I'm going to just cut through the field, go Southern Cross and come back up Balco. I think so. I think that would be the simplest way, I think. So I am going to go and do that. So yeah, I'm going to go cycling now. See you in a few. Hey guys, so I'm going for a walk now. It's later than I thought because I was just on my phone. Yeah, I was mainly lying on the bed on my phone on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, the usual, and then checking out my baby review page and everything like that. So yeah, but I am going cycling now. So I am, and then I'm thinking if I'm not too tired I might just nip around to my local shop and get that surprise vest. So yeah, so then I don't have to go back out, you know, I can just, you know, continue with my stuff that I have planned. So yeah. Hey guys, so just on my break. So I am I'm going to cycle the Southern Cross through the field, so I'll show you when I get to the field. Hello guys, I'm in the park. Sorry, I'm in the park now. I went down the ball hall and back up the Southern Cross and came in here, so I'm going to cycle sort of around this field and go home. So yeah. Hey guys, so I cycled to my local shop. I got my little surprise, got milk for my mini fridge just for the day and a nice cold bottle of water. So I'm just resting here outside Graham and Sarah's place. So I am just taking my time. I passed Sarah, she was driving out of the estate and I was cycling up here. So yay! Yeah, so I'm just outside Graham and Sarah's. There's their window there, the one with the tree lights in the windows. Sarah's gone to work and Graham's down in Arklow, sadly. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, I'm going to head back home. My phone's about to die, so I'm gonna go home, charge up a bit, jump into the shower, cool down, and probably get lunch. So yeah, so it was a nice old trip out with the bike. So yeah. Hey guys, sorry, I haven't vlogged since the field. My phone died. So I was letting it charge up for a bit. I took a shower and I just got into my new top and PJ bottoms just for the moment. I have just been going on my phone for a while, but I'm gonna go down and get something to eat. Yeah, I'm gonna go down and get a bit of lunch and then come back up and probably do a bit of colouring. So I will, or maybe just reading. Reading or colouring, it doesn't really make a difference. Just anything that's not on screen. Just do need to take my eyes off a screen at some point. So yeah, I do have clothes to put away, so I might do that and then decide if I want to do reading or colouring, or I could do both. You never know. You never know. It was a good cycle. I forgot to kind of track it on my Fitbit again today. So oops, sorry, fell out. Oopsies. Come on, go back in. Yeah, I forgot to track it, but what I did, but I went up, just I went down the Balcall, up Southern Cross, through Killian's Field. I cycled all around in Killian's Field, and then I went to my local shop. As you seen in the last clip, I just went to just sat and kind of, well, it didn't really sit. I kind of sat on my bike drinking a bottle of water and trying to get like my energy and breath back. God, I'm so unfit. Oh my god, it's unbelievable. Like, I used to be a fit person. Like, my mom was telling me that years ago when I was younger, I used to always be playing down at the field, playing football with the lads. I don't know what happened to me. I really don't. I just got lazier through the years. But no, see, the best thing to do is take baby steps, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just taking baby steps. And then when I go back to work, I'll eventually be kind of cycling to work and from work. So like that would be my day of cycling, is going cycling to work and cycling home from work. Well, not on the days when it's raining, like, but on a day like this and sunny and whatever, I'll be cycling. I just want to kind of get back into cycling before I go back to work, so then it will kind of be easier for me cycling to work. And then on the way back from work, I'll just take my time coming home on the bike, you know. But yeah, it's kind of better than getting a lift off my mum and dad, you know, because I was kind of making a bit of hassle in a way that, like, my mom was kind of a little bit late for work because, like, she works outside Bury, so she would have to go. She has to go on the motorway, and there's always traffic on the motorway in the mornings going to work. At least I'm on here around the corner, like, you know. So that's why I've decided to, when I go back to work, I'll be cycling. So I just want to get myself back into cycling. So enough about cycling. I had a good day and I had a good cycle, so that's the main thing. So I'm gonna go down and make a bit of food. I don't know what I want, I'll have a look, and then I'll come back up, put these away, and then decide if I want to do reading or colouring or both. Might do both for a change. You never know. I'll surprise you. Hey guys, so I had my lunch. I just ate it downstairs because, like, my sister and my dad were having their lunch too, so I was like, might as well join them, you know. So I had a ham and cheese sambo with lettuce on brown bread, on the Hovis brown bread, and then I had a yogurt drink. But I am going to have one of my healthy bars now. Well, I don't have to have it like right away, but in a few minutes. But I need to sort this lot out. So yeah, I have no bread stuck in my tooth, it's on mine. So yeah, I am going to go put these away and get this bread out of my tooth. It's so bloody annoying. So yeah. Hey guys, my phone's still on charge, so that's why it's at a weird angle. I hate my hair. I just want to chop that bit off. It's so fucking annoying. Let's see what I can do. Tiny bit better. hate it. I hate my hair so much, I really do. Yeah, I hate it. Oh my god, can't wait till I go to the hairdresser's house. Anyway, so I done the clothes. I just did the time lapse because it was just easier. So yeah, so now I am going to read for a bit and then do some colouring, and then play some oh, I have a new Xbox game that I want to show you. So right, so I'm going to read for, it's basically 2 o'clock now. It's 5 to 2, so basically 2 o'clock. I'll read this till about 1:30. I'll try and read as much as I can. Then from 2:30 to 3, I will colour. And then I'll show you my game. I can't wait. So I am reading this book. I am dying to finish it because it's actually getting very brilliant. I'm near the end, so I'm nearly done, and also I'm dying to start reading my new books as well. That's why I want to get this book out of the way so I can read the other books. So yeah, that's what I am going to do now. So yeah, I'm going to go and read now and just chillax, read the book, do some colouring, just relax, and then I will show you my new game after when I finish reading and do a bit of colouring. I actually feel like a little bit more, like so much better cycling, because the workouts didn't really work out. Yeah, they didn't really work out because like I'm just so used. Because at first I was so used to going to the gym, going on the treadmill, going on the bike, doing the weights, and I started liking it. I started like doing the workouts at home, but I didn't like it. And just because like the workouts is supposed to be like kind of fun, like you're supposed to enjoy the workout, like, and I wasn't. It wasn't really for me. So I'm getting back into cycling because I know the cycling is me, because it will help me get around places quicker. Like I said earlier, going to work, coming home from work, and then maybe on the weekends going to the shop and back. Like going to the shop, meeting up with Graham and Sarah in the field. It will just get me home quicker. Because like I know walking is kind of boring, but like I don't know. I think my laziness is just starting to come back, and I'm trying not to let it come back, because then it will be difficult for me getting back into work. Because like I'm a waitress up in Coffee Delights. It's a cafe in Bray, guys. So I don't want to be lazy, because when you're working in a cafe, you can't be lazy. You gotta be active all the time. So yeah. So I'm going to try and not be as lazy. Like on the weekends, it's okay to be lazy, like, because the weekends, like, you're supposed to have a chill, like. But during the week, since I'm not working, I'm going to try and be active as much as possible, like go for a cycle, in the mornings, and if I want to go for a walk in the evenings, late afternoon, evenings, I'll do that, no problem. So yeah, just anything to get me out of the house that doesn't involve getting lifts, you know, because I was doing great, but then it all started going downhill. So I'm going to try and get myself together and basically be more fitter and try and lose a bit of weight and help myself get around, basically, like around, like say for instance Bray, for instance, basically what I done before before I got my toe done, like going on my adventures and stuff. I kind of want to get back into doing the adventures because they were kind of fun, like, you know. And I have an idea of like basically a craft thing to do with stones, so I want to go down to the beach soon and pick up like just random stones and pick up paint and just start painting the stones, you know. So yeah, I'm going to, sorry guys for keeping this, I'm going to read Girl Online and see how far I can get it. I'm nearly finished, so happy days. So I will see you guys in a bit. Hello. So I'm after just finishing my reading. What time did I go on? What time did I start reading? 3 o'clock? After 3 o'clock? Around that time. And it is, no, sorry, it was 5 to 2. 5 to 2, and it is now going on to 3 o'clock. So an hour reading, that wasn't too bad. And I got through 2 chapters in the book as well, so happy days. I'm not going to colour, I'm going to maybe colour tomorrow or something, or Thursday, Friday. I'm going to do a bit of colouring on the weekend as well, as kind of relaxation type of thing. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do is I don't know. Might go and play a bit of Animal Crossing to check my afternoon turnip prices, get basically dig up the fossils, assess them and tell Graham the names of them so he can kind of see which one he needs and which one he doesn't need. And then I'll show you my new game. So yeah, B-Day. I'm sorry I took so long. I'm still playing Animal Crossing. I kind of found out that my turnips will be very low this week, so I'm just commenting on the Facebook page to see if anyone has any better prices, basically. If not, like, I'm sure like Sarah will have better prices later, like, but not later or tomorrow. I don't know. At the moment it's 106, but like it will go back down. So I don't really know what to do. I think I might just leave the 106 bells turnip prices I want, so that won't give me much, because I'm so used to selling the turnips for like 300 and something, 200 and something. Some had 400 and something. So I haven't had my healthy bar yet. I just thought of that now. Because because I can see my healthy bar is there. So I think I might just wait. I put up a status anyway about like turnip prices and everything like that. So hopefully I'll get like a comment back or whatever. Hopefully. So yeah, I'm not gonna bother with my prices because not very good. I went a little bit higher. I went like 200, 300, 400. Don't know if that's too much to ask, but yeah. Yeah, Sarah's still in work and Graham's staying in Arklow, so I probably won't hear much from them today. I'll probably be texting Sarah later about like the turnip prices and whatever. So yeah. But you never know. Tomorrow could be like kind of a better price, so you just never know. Like something like in the game, it's just mainly take a chance, you know. So I'm gonna take a chance and hopefully he'll be like I can get a better price, whether it's on my island, Sarah's island, Graham's island, or a random person's island. So fingers crossed. Someone had up they had 200 and something prices for the turnips, so I commented on them, just waiting to hear back. So fingers crossed. I probably won't hear back till later on anyway. Because most people are kind of working. I can't wait to go back to work. All I need, like, it's fully back opened. My work is, probably forgot to tell you that. It's fully back opened. And he's just bringing all of us back, basically one staff at a time, depending how busy it is. So I'm just waiting for the phone call now, so just a matter of like a few weeks time I could be back at work, so fingers crossed. I can't wait. The board. But yeah, just still playing Animal Crossing. I might go and switch and play my new game with the Xbox and try it out and let you guys have a quick look and see what you guys think. So I might do that while I'm waiting. Someone on the Animal Crossing page on Facebook has 500 bells for turnips. I'm just waiting for him to send me his code so I can go over it and sell my turnips. I am so can't wait. I literally can't wait. I actually don't know how much money I'll have, but I'll definitely be able to pay off my loan anyway. Oh my god, yay! I'll let you know when I have sold them, and I will show you how much bells I have after. Okay guys, I am off to an island to sell my turnip prices for 500, and I have my besties Tiger Reopen Hall 2020 on. I have paused for the moment until I come back from this island selling my turnips. Why are you not focusing? Focus. Come on. I know you want to. Focus. Why are you not focusing? Oh, there. A little bit. Yeah, I have that on. And going over to the island. Yay! Okay, guys. Are you ready to see the boys? Bless me. Look. 17000. My. I am going to click yeah. Sold. Hell yeah, baby. Oh wow, thank you very much. Okay guys, since I got a lot of money, I paid off my loan. I don't know if you can see. It's not focusing. On focus. Focus. I don't know why it isn't focusing, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to kind of show you what it says on the screen. Just give it a minute. It's probably sorry guys for doing that. And see if it makes any better. Yay! So I have paid off my loan. Happy days! I am so happy. Okay, since I have basically that finished, it's time for this, and the focus has gone again. I hate when that happens. Anyway, I am going to watch my friend's tiger haul video now. So, because I didn't really know what they got when we first went to Tiger when it opened. So, I am going to have a look. Okay guys, y'all ready for my new game? Kart Racers! It's a Nickelodeon, so you have SpongeBob, Ninja Turtles, and then I think I've seen that you have Tommy O'Dell from Rugrats. So yeah, so I can't wait to start. Single play. See, you can also be like basically Patrick, Tommy, Ninja Turtle. So I think I'll just do a free. Which one will I do? Grand Prix, free race, or time attack? Time attack or free race? I think this is an easy one, free race, so I might do this one. So yeah, game mode solo, and you can pick which track you want. So Hillwood Valley, City That Never Sleeps, School Hijinks, Hillwood City of Lights, Toy Story Flash Sale, Birthday Bash, Bikini Bottom Boogie Night, Journey Through. These are all cool. Bring It Around Town. I might do that one, Bring It Around Town. That would be that's early. So beginner, yes. Breeze, just to start off. So, and now which character should I be? SpongeBob, Patrick, Sandy, Reptar, Angelica, Tommy, Arnold, Hilda, Mikey. I think I might go with Patrick. I think I'll go with Patrick. So I will let you guys know how I get on. So excited. Hey guys, so there I am, second. Patrick. I'm so happy. This is such a cool game, and it's like so much like Mario Kart, but it's like Nickelodeon characters instead of like Super Mario and stuff, and Luigi and Peachy and everything like that. It's all like Nickelodeon characters. It's actually pretty cool. It's so cool. I'm so happy I got it. Hey guys, so I'm just watching Sarah live stream The Sims 4. Graham is still down in Oslo, but he's chatting away in Graham's down in Arklow, and so he's just texting in the group chat. So it's pretty awesome. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm sorry I haven't vlogged since I played kart races on my Xbox. I fell asleep afterwards, and then I woke up. The last thing was Sarah was streaming. Sorry. Yeah. So after playing kart races, I fell asleep. I forgot to mention that in the last clip, and then Sarah was streaming. That was the last clip. Yeah. So Sarah streamed up as far as basically my dinner was ready. So like 7:30. She streamed for about an hour. So that was grand. I got my dinner at 7:30. I had chicken wings. They were barbecue Tennessee chicken wings or something. And then I just chilled downstairs for a bit, and now I'm heading to bed because I'm getting literally a headache just literally here. I know if I stay awake any longer it will spread, and at the moment it is making me dizzy since it's like the headache is here, literally there, and like it's making my eyes all like dizzy and everything like that. So I'm gonna go to bed. I'm in cool shorts. I'm gonna change my top now in a bit to like a string top or something. So yeah, I am going to bed. I'm not going to watch anything. I'm just going to lie in the dark. Probably go on my phone for a bit and just chill out and take one of my night tablets and try and get to sleep. It's raining out at the moment. It's like lashing rain right now. So hopefully the rain kind of stops in the morning so I can go for another cycle, but if not I might not be able to go for a cycle if it's raining, or even if it's wet, because like it's always gonna be slippy. But like if it's wet, if it's not raining but it's still wet, I'll just go for a walk. It's fine. So yeah. So yeah, I am going to bed now, so I am ending the vlog, guys. Sorry, but I will be back vlogging on Thursday. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Because I sure did. I enjoyed going on, basically getting back onto my bike. Feels so great. So so good night, guys. Hope you had a lovely Tuesday. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you have, please give me a like, comment below, subscribe and hit the bell with notifications, and I will see you all in the next vlog. Bye guys.